Hey guys, what's going on? Antonio Carter here, Emancipation Occupation. In this video, if you guys are having issues trying to market things on Facebook, affiliate marketing, social media marketing, whatever the case may be, and you are not getting the results that you are looking for, that you deserve, you are doing something very simply wrong, and you are most likely targeting the wrong audience. If you got a good product, if you're very good at what you do, you got an awesome service, you already know that's awesome, but you're just not getting in front of the right people to hear your message. And I'm going to show you how you could market any product and target the exact person that likes your stuff every single time so that you can make the most money with Facebook ads. See you here in a little bit. Hey guys, what's going on? Antonio Carter here. And, Facebook ads is a very interesting topic because it's still hot and a lot of people love it. Some people don't like it. They've tried it and say they don't work, but it's still a hot topic. Well, I'm here to tell you Facebook ads is still alive and kicking and works extremely well. The return on profit is insane. Those individuals just don't know what they're doing. And so I'm trying to clear that up in this video so that you can market to anybody, market any product that you want to. And hopefully I can help you get out the mud with these tips and tricks. But before I go ahead and give you those tips and tricks, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button under my video so that you could be notified whenever I bring this awesome content. I deliver content on affiliate marketing, Facebook ads, which is what I'm an expert at, product creation, all types of stuff. Anything making money online, that's where I'm at. That's what I do. Check out my website if you want one-on-one coaching, whatever the case may be. All right, enough of the shameless plugs that I just gave. Check this out. So the first thing you want to do, you need to create a phenomenal audience. And you need your audience to be on point, because if you're not marketing to the correct person, you're not going to make money. If you're trying to market to a second grade school teacher, but you're also trying to figure out somebody who's into race cars, go figure, right? The school teacher is not going to be excited about the things that a race car, NASCAR fan is going to be interested in. Right? Sounds like a corny example, but I'm just saying, like, those are the extremes that you got to take. That's the mindset you have to realize, that you need to be able to send your stuff into the right audience. Now, some of you may not even have an audience to market to. Some of you are starting from scratch. You don't have an email list or anything like that to go from so that Facebook could use your stuff to find the right people. That's okay. That's what we're going to create an audience for. And I had to do this myself with affiliate marketing. And I'm going to show you how I did it. So one of the audience I did recently was for affiliate marketing. I needed a new following. I rebranded myself completely. I have another brand outside of Emancipation Occupation. It's called Antonio X Carter. X is my middle initial. And what I did was I created a video, and we're going to do like video views. And the way you do this, you would click create. And the traffic objective is going to be video views. My daily budget, I can't remember what I put my daily budget as, but you can start with $5 a day and you'll get enough information. It'll be slow, but in due time, you'll definitely grow a big enough audience, and you'll see why the audience is so important. And then for ad set name, you can just type in, I don't know, affiliate marketing audience, and ad name will be affiliate marketing training, because that's the type of video that I had made at the time. So instead of hitting save to draft, I'm going to click cancel because I already did this. I called mine video views, building audience. And, well, let me go back here very quickly. Hopefully you guys can see my screen. Make this a little bit bigger. My results for 10-second videos was 1,425 views. Whoa. Why is that such a big deal? Because the average person does not look at a video for more than like 3 to 5 seconds on Facebook. So the very fact that somebody spent that much time looking at my video is phenomenal. And then I'm going to break these columns down by video engagement. And yes, you do have to create a video. You don't have to necessarily put your face on it. You can do a voiceover. Like if you did this whole video, you can do it without your face here, but whatever it is that you do, you're trying to create an audience for something so that you can sell to anybody at any time and make money. You're going to, I recommend that you take this road and make a video somehow, face video or non-face video. It's okay. And so my video, I think, is like 7 minutes long, which we'll see here in a second. But I have people who watch 25% of my video, and it goes all the way through people who watched 100% of my video. 212 people have watched 100% of my video. What does that mean? That means 212 people love my content. Realistically, anybody who watches 50% or more is a warm to hot buyer. So now I have this pool of 2, 4, 6. Yeah, that's over 800 people. That's probably close to 1,000. I think that's like, I don't know, 870 people or something. But it's close to 1,000. Close to 1,000 people are interested in my product. And so if I go to the ad set, I created one called Digital Marketing Groups. And I also tried to create one that was based off of those who liked my fan page. That didn't do very well. I'm not even going to get into that right now. It sucked. So this one, what I did, we're going to click that and open it up. We don't want to go to the ad yet. So since I am in affiliate marketing, what I do is I come down and I'm trying to target people in the United States. And then I begin to group individuals that would be my ideal customer. So what you need to do is you need to figure out who is your ideal customer. Who would you like to target ideally? Okay. Who's going to purchase your services? Because the same people who purchase your services aren't necessarily going to buy my services. So here I put Facebook page admins, individuals like myself, because I do Facebook advertising. I mean, those type of individuals are definitely interested in affiliate marketing. Here's another one called affiliate marketing freelancer and digital marketing. Those are pages and interests. And then if you fall in any 4 of these categories, I also said you had to be within the household income of the top 25 to 50% of zip codes. So I'm targeting people who have some money as well. And these are hot buyers. Now I could take this down to another level and probably include behaviors like purchasing. I don't know if they still allow this or not. Let's see. Boom. Look. Purchase behavior. Engaged shoppers. Woo! That's hot. So then after you create the type of customer that you want to come down and within edit placements, you can kind of be a little bit open with this. You don't have to just strictly target those within the Facebook news feeds, because you're just hitting people from all different places with your video ads. Now, if this was a conversion campaign or a traffic campaign, I'd do this way different. I'd probably just do Facebook news feeds. I'm not doing this within Instagram, but if you got an Instagram account, I do recommend you use Instagram. Facebook stories is awesome. It'll put that in there. I probably should remove this one. But that's the whole ordeal with that. So I have my videos going everywhere on different pages, within like the partnership websites like yahoo.com and MSN. I'm pretty sure you've seen the advertisements on those pages. You just clicked it and then you didn't realize that it was an ad. That's what this is. So this is where the game kind of changes a little bit. Through play, 2-second continuous videos, 10-second videos. We don't want to target these two. We don't want to target individuals who only watch 2 seconds of a video. We want individuals who watch at least 10 seconds of a video, because I know that I'm going to be teaching something in depth and I want people to be engaged in what I'm teaching. Also, the audience is pretty huge. What did I start with? Did I start with $5 a day? I think I started with $5 a day. Yeah, I can't see it. It's probably within the campaign setting, but start off with $5 a day if that's all you got, but really do $25 a day if you can. Do it for maybe 3 to 4 days, knock it out, boom, get your information and create your audience. And the reason your audience is so huge is because that's who's going to be buying your product. You create that audience and then you retarget them with your offer, with your landing page, with your capture page, with your webinar, with your e-com products. This is where the window just is wide open for you guys. You don't have to even guess anymore who your audience is because you already know. Look at this information that I got. Look at all this information. I now see that the majority of men like my stuff more than women. Now, I can still target ladies because it's not like they don't like me according to this graph over here, but I definitely have a stronger, actually, this is interesting. A lot of men like my content from 25 to 44, but as you get down to the older ages, they kind of even out between men and a woman. So now you can take this information and you can target that however which way you want to. Now we're going to go to the ads. I just spent $75. That's it for this information. I created my ad. And it's actually a YouTube video I created for that YouTube channel.
Antonio X. Carter here.
Okay.
Affiliate marketing coach. I'm here to give you huge tips on your affiliate marketing business.
Let's go.
Businesses.
So the video is 6 minutes and 30 seconds long. Look at that. I got 16 engagements, all good. I didn't get not one negative thing. I got 3 shares. I got promotion over to my Facebook page. People are checking out my brand, but I'm also building an audience. So now, because of that, if we go back to my ad set and I just act as if I'm going to target somebody, guess what? I now have been able to create an audience of people who've watched 75% of my video, 25% of my video. Then I created a lookalike so that Facebook could go take the people who liked my video and watched it for 75% of the duration. And then Facebook said, all right, we're going to create 2 million people, an audience of 2 million people who look exactly like that audience you just created. This is cold. So this is the secret, guys. This is the absolute secret. I'm giving this to you for free. A lot of people are probably going to be upset with me, but I don't care because I want you guys to make money. So this was the secret. I hope you learned a lot within Facebook ads. I just broke it down to you. This is how you sell any product to anybody. And this is how you make the most money on Facebook. You take the audience, you take the information, you create the audience, and then you retarget your product to that specific target, even if you don't have a following as of right now. You guys can do this, full of tricks. And, let me know in the comments what questions you got about Facebook. Let me know if this was helpful for you. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, hit that thumbs up button. Last thing, I'm going to be giving away, I got a free affiliate marketing course for you as well. It's called the Affiliate Marketing Hacks Academy for Business Owners. It is free. Free. There's no upsells or anything. Once you opt in to the funnel, you just go straight to this page, you create your login, and what happens is I give you a full in-depth training of all the different things that I use to make money. You can easily make $1,000 per month with these techniques. Easily. Why? Because I've used these techniques to create at least $1,000 per month minimum. Okay. So take these strategies. I'm going to leave the link below. Check out the rest of my other stuff below as well. I'll leave you guys all types of other free things that I created for you guys as well. So we'll see you later. Have a good one.